Hi, consider the problem on the board. Using the sample space, find the probability that the total score of two dice will be greater than or equal to 5. Greater than or equal to 5. This is the key. Greater than or equal to 5. Using this table, we do a quick one here. Solution. The probability of obtaining a greater than or equal to 5 will be, let's list the outcome. Greater than or equal to 5 simply means 5 is inclusive. So the boundary is weak. 5 is inclusive. 5 and numbers that are greater than 5 are part of it. So greater than or equal to 5. Whether we use this table or this, if we are using this table, it means numbers from 5 will be considered. Greater than or equal to 5, so let's count. We have 1 and greater, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we have 30 numbers that are greater than or equal to 5. So total is 30. We have it as 30. So that is to say 30, which makes 30 out of the sample space, which is 36. So probability of obtaining a total score greater than or equal to 5 will simply be 30 over 36, of which 6 can go. 6 in 30 is 5, and 6 in 36 is 6. So that makes 5 over 36. Bottom line is this. I'm able to analyze this problem because I have a good knowledge, a good understanding of two dice analysis. And this is it. It's either you use this or this, you will get the result. And you can handle any type of problem that has to do with two dice. I'm sure we got value from this video. Please don't forget to like my videos, subscribe, and share for more persons to see. See you for more videos. Bye for now.